Hello guys, this is Gold Mind FX guys. So here I'm gonna be explaining on what we're gonna be expecting for next week guys. And today is the 11th of October guys. So yeah. So what are we anticipating for next week? That's what I'm gonna be working on. Today me start on I already did the Euro USD, so let's get into the GBP CAD guys, which is the so let's see the camera. So yeah, guys. So what are we expecting on the? Let's go to the monthly time frame, guys. Have network issues, but we can work on that. So guys, as you guys can see, we are on an uptrend, aiming for the high time frame imbalance, guys. So that means we are going to be selling to the downside on JBP CAT actually almost. So here we have areas of liquidity of obviously the lows which have been liquidated. So we're gonna be shorting on JBP CAD, which there is a short position here, which anticipating for perfect entry and setup as well. So I'm gonna be okay, I just jumped that, but yep, we're gonna be selling, aiming for this take profit on the monthly time frame, guys. On the monthly time frame, just don't forget that point on the monthly time frame, guys. But here as well, we also have like an area which is very catch eye catching actually, because here we have a supply zone, order block, breakup block, G.M.Fx guys. So yeah, we have that video explaining everything in detail. But here we have a point of interest, but yeah, we have an area of interest which could possibly turn everything into a forced sell as well. Because the impact news are the ones which are gonna be notifying us if we're pushing now to the downside or we're gonna patiently wait, enter the hard time frame imbalance and then drop to the downside. So oh shit, network issue once again. Okay, but we will be dropping on JPP CAD guys. We will be dropping a sell, a perfect sniper entry sell on JPP CAD. So yeah, guys, we are anticipating for a perfect sell here. As you guys can see, we have a lot of lows compared to highs because the highs have been broken. So now we're gonna be walking in. I don't know why I keep removing the lows, but yeah, they're gonna be our take profit. So here, guys, I did actually take a trade here on JPP CAD, pushing to the downside on a sell, but I literally took my profits earlier than expected because I saw the amount of spike and liquidity. I took my profit here, guys, marking this low as my take profit one, so I was able to take the trade profits. So made a little bit of 700 to 800 profits, which I anticipated. So here we also have a very perfect supply zone, which obviously is a breakup block because we had this candlestick proving to us that there is momentum and sellers were trying to enter the market. But this liquidity could be used as momentum to push to the higher time frame imbalance, guys. So this is 100% confirmation that we could possibly break the high and then push to the upside, entering the high time frame imbalance, guys. So we're gonna short this imbalance to the downside, breaking all the lows using the monthly time frame to identify how many months, not how many months, but how long we will be able to hold this trade. But for months, it's gonna take time. But for days, daily time frame, we're anticipating actually to buy and liquidate everything, every single thing here. But I wouldn't be that confident about it. But we're gonna, once the market does this, it only proves to us that there was liquidity which was caught on the market, which was enough for it to be able to push to the upside. So let's check the area that made the market just react so fast and just buying already. So I'm gonna remove this short position. Now I'm gonna be trying to identify what made the market react this candlestick to buy and be bullish. So yeah, but guys, we will be waiting for the high time frame imbalance, or we're gonna use this breakup block. As you guys can see, oh, now I understand, guys. We had on the 4 hour time frame, we literally had an area of interest here, which was starting from this candlestick to this to the, but we could what we could use actually, because I want it to be very very neat. So I would love to use this candlestick actually, which this could be our breakup block, because this candlestick proves to us, even though it may be like a wick, but it is usually called uh like it is usually called actually a morning star, but I wouldn't want to call it a morning star because that'd be too obvious. So it is literally showing to us that there are more buyers compared to sellers in this one kind of stick. Let me explain why. So here, guys, as you guys can see, this is actually sellers, right? And here these are buyers. But these sellers, the market was obviously selling to the downside, which was a full bearish candlestick, pushing to the downside. But it inhaled back up, means that the sellers taking over got terminated at this area, proving to us that we were going to buy, liquidating the traders, which were entering sells continuously trading carelessly, placing orders like insane. And those scalpers as well, guys. If you're a scalper and placing trades recklessly, uh, there's no profitability or long term strategy which is gonna make you a very profitable trader. Because it feels like you're a coward actually. Because just getting out of the trade like in 2 or 3 minutes, that proves to us that you're not trusting your strategy or your setup as well. Because if you trust your strategy and setup and signals, that means you know the direction. Because the direction can't just happen in 1 minute. Because that be like you'll be using the 1 minute actually spiking every single week. That doesn't work like that, guys. So here on JBB we will be expecting to buy and liquidate this obviously previous and old breaker block. So we're gonna be aiming for take profits as well. I didn't enter this trade on the buy. Instead, I just took the positions from the short position, obviously selling. But here is our take profit. Here pushing to the upside, breaking this one as well, breaking this high, and then we're gonna be aiming for this inverted imbalance. So imbalance. This is what we're gonna be aiming for to hit, and then we're gonna be good. So yeah, guys, that's it on JBB Cat on the 4 hour time frame, guys. On the 4 hour time frame, let's go to the 2 hour time frame. So my time frame, guys, are always monthly, daily, weekly. Oh my god, I think I said weekly, but 4 hour, 2 hour, 30 minute, 15 minutes, 5 minute, and 1 minute, guys. These are the time frames I recommend, especially. What the hell did I just do, or was it okay? So here we have two highs, and then we're going to be liquidating every single area of interest which is above the high. So here, this would obviously, guys, be a beautiful buy to the upside. And we also have another for Vertica, which we could have used to buy to the down, no, buy to the upside. Even though there's a very scary structure here. Yeah, guys. So I will place my long position once again here. Let me just I will place my long position here once again. For those traders who want to execute this buy, place your buys at this area, guys. There's a lot of liquidity in this area of interest. So I would obviously recommend you guys to just place your buys straight up at the morning on GBB CAD, because it's gonna buy, guys. It's gonna buy with liquidity, liquidating every single low and high at this key area. So yeah, on the 2 hour time frame, I said on the 30 minute time frame of the 2 hour. Okay, guys, just be patient. So yeah, guys, So we're here. We're gonna be placing obviously our long positions on Monday in the morning if we didn't enter this trade. So guys, we have a lot of liquidity, guys. We have a lot of liquidity, a lot of lows, a lot of highs. So there's a lot of liquidity at this areas which we need to liquidate, guys. It is certain we have to liquidate these areas. So we're gonna buy to the upside on JBB CAD. So that's a video for JBB CAD. I'll get into other forex pairs, but then I'm gonna release 3 forex pairs, guys, which I'm literally saying next week is gonna Monday is gonna be a perfect setup for you guys to enter as well. Thank you, G.M.Fx guys. Like and subscribe and follow us on TikTok as well as Instagram. So on Instagram we are G.M.Fx, GoMindFX7, and then on TikTok we are G.M.Fx only. G.M.Fx with the logo, which you're gonna see here as a thumbnail. So yeah guys, thank you.